For many years, K160 was the workhorse of the Victorian Goldfields Railway, running from Castlemaine to Malden. However, in the mid-2010s, its boiler ticket ran out and it was due for a major overhaul. So the loco was taken down to Steam Rail Victoria's Newport Workshops for this to be undertaken. It was a very long process, and more than 10 years later, in 2026, the locomotive has finally returned to steam, making its debut at the 2026 Steam Rail Open Days. In this video, we will have a compilation of shots of K160 running for the first time in over 10 years at the Newport Workshops Open Days. First off, we see K160 performing the demonstration goods run. Running parallel with K160 is Y112. However, for the open days, it was disguised as Y-Class Y419. K160 then participated in the K-Class lineup, featuring all the K-Classes at the event lined up for a photo shoot. Oh, and R707 popped in too, but that was already there.
Like us. We are having a very good year with presentations. We've been able to see 4 large steam locomotives on this scale. Well, hopefully one of them will be mainline, the rest of them are mainline and there's 2 aren't they?
Then, of course, they had a mandatory whistle off. After the whistle off, the K-classes went back to where they were before. Here we see K160 moving out.
was going to be mainline certified.
Yeah, I know.
Pretty exciting, isn't it? I'm loving smoking from it. I hope they keep it on. I know, but it's not like the blue and gold is.
Are we talking about this one or 7-Eleven? Oh.
No, I'm liking the look of this one. Exactly like 153.
For the rest of the event, K160 was open for counting stations. Good, you?
Good, yeah, good, thank you.
And that's all for this video. But don't worry, this isn't my only coverage of Skein-Rail's Open Days. I have an absolute crap load of footage from the day that I will upload over time. These will feature different logos and compilations. Thanks for watching, and 12A is the best to know.